My name is Catherine, and I'm the executive assistant to Kyle Patine, our COO at Forney Industries. What Forney's culture means to me is that it's something that sets our company apart. My last job was not the type of fit that was good for my work environment. So what Forney's culture means to me is that I'm proud to work at a company that cares about integrity and excellence and humility and things that are near and dear to my heart.
My name's Todd Riesenover. I am the Director of Sales for the Eastern region of the United States. What it means to me is bringing, uniting various departments together. I think for myself personally, it's about getting up every day, working 7 days a week or working a 5-day work period, providing the best service that I can provide for Forney and our customer base.
Having a defined culture makes me excited to come to work because I know the company I'm working for is backing things of value. If you have a choice between two companies to work for, you might want to work for the one that champions values like excellence and integrity and motivation.
I think it impacts it in a number of ways. One, it allows me to better coach and mentor my sales force. It encourages me to involve myself in various departments within the organization. And probably third, I would say, it keeps me focused.
So that's what excites me. I know I'm working for a company that values being a leader in the marketplace.